In this video, I'll show you how to regain access to your Coinbase account. Now, this is just for people who have been locked out of their Coinbase, meaning you still know your login details, you've just been locked out. When you try to log in, you get a message saying you've been locked out, something like that. What you're going to do is just try and log into Coinbase like you normally do. I use a passkey, you might use your email. And of course, when you try to log in, you should get a message that looks something like this. And of course, you are just going to click on Start. And this is going to begin the verification process. You need to have access to the number or the email address that you use to log in, because they're going to send you a verification to that email or to that number. Next up, they are going to want to verify you. I would use my ID. You can use your driver's license or your passport. It's up to you. And lastly, they are going to want to run you through KYC again. So basically, they are going to want you to move your face in certain positions just to make sure it's you. And of course, you'll give them access to your camera for that purpose. And once they verify everything, you will regain access to your account. Keep in mind that sends will be disabled for 24 hours though. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.